The workflow for building a metaSL shader tree in 3ds Max is a little like building one in Mental Mill, only easier. Here you will be creating a metaSL shader tree to apply to this human head. The model is low poly based, but will look like it has more detail with proper mapping and metaSL shaders. Open the Slate Material Editor. Ensure that 3ds Max is set up to use the Mental Ray renderer, otherwise you won't have access to metaSL shaders. Expand the metaSL rollout under Maps. There you'll find about a dozen shaders ready for use. You typically start with an illumination fong shader, which provides the basis for the metaSL tree. To start populating the tree, you drag in other metaSL shaders and wire them to the proper channels. The Texture Lookup 2D shader is useful for defining bitmaps as textures. Start by defining a diffuse texture. Use the head diffuse JPEG bitmap and wire it to the diffuse color channel. Use a Normal's bump map shader in the normal channel. Use the image file head normal JPEG. Add another Texture Lookup 2D shader and use the file head specular JPEG and wire it to the specular color channel. At this time, notice that if you try to apply the Fong illumination node to the object in the scene, it doesn't work. You first need to convert the Fong illumination node into a single output material. Luckily, you can use the map to material conversion node to that end. Now you can apply the shader tree to the object in the scene. At this time, though, the end results are dark in the viewport. Unlike Mental Mill, 3ds Max does not have a brightness shader. Instead, you use the Gamma Gain shader from the Mental Ray Maps rollout. You need to insert that node by dragging and dropping it on the connection between the Fong illumination node and the Map to Conversion node. You can then adjust the Gamma Gain parameters to suit your liking. If you wish, create a similar shader tree for the eyes using the supplied bitmaps. As you can see, building metaSL shader trees in 3ds Max is a simple process. It is not as elaborate as Mental Mill, but does provide you with the basic tools to build simple shader trees. If you are interested in Mental Mill, you can view the How to movie entitled How to Use Mental Mill.